Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is a very quick video only. So I just want to do a quick unboxing or unplasticking. Quick unplasticking of my order from eBay. So I just finished my work and I checked my mailbox and yes, I've got this parcel from eBay. I ordered this, I think, few weeks ago and ngayon lang siya dumating. Ang estimated arrival nito is July pero mas maaga siyang dumating and I'm so excited to check it. I think sabi niya dito steel stamping plate. So let's check it out. Yes, I got it. I got it. Guys, my favorite unicorn stamping plate. OMG! Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Tsaka, makikita mo yung mga sample. Meron silang sample ng yung kulay, pero konti lang. So, this is Beauty Big Bang stamping plate. And guys, meron akong konting isi-share. I ordered one from their shop, Beauty Big Bang. It was the stamper. And honestly, it's not good. I was disappointed. It was pricey for the product. And yet, hindi naman siya ganun kaganda. Kung hindi, parang hindi mo ma-pick up yung yung feeling na hindi mo makuha yung kahit gaano mo siya i-scrape. Tapos pag ginanon mo na, wala siyang nakukuha na image. So yun. Tapos, ang sabi nila, nag-leave kasi ako ng negative feedback doon sa shop nila. Nagsabi nila, nag-message sila. Gusto nila na bawiin ko yung negative na feedback ko. Babayaran daw ako or ibabalik daw nila yung $3 sa akin. Eh, ang mahal-mahal nung stamper na yun. $10 yun eh, 9.99. I was hoping na maganda siya. Sabi ko, I think no need. Just let your customers know a real feedback. Sabi ko sa kanila. So yun, hinayaan ko na lang. Bala sila. Diba? Pero di ko alam kung ganito din itong product nila na to. Kasi ibang nagbebenta ba. So anyway, let's see. Yay! Ito siya guys. Chining! Then meron siyang ganito, Big Bang Beauty sa likod. Ito lang yung I've been buying stamping plate, pero ito yung may ganito, meron siyang ganito. Para saan kaya to? So anyway, ito yung niya, yung style niya. And I'm so excited to use it na. So yun lang, ang ikli lang no. Yun lang, thank you for watching and on my next video, I will show you the how I do or how I did or paano ba yun? Paano ba ang kinak talaga sa English? On my next video or on my next videos, I'm going to show you how it is. So, thank you for watching and I see you on my next one. Bye!